This is the University of Southeastern. This is the University of Southeastern Philippines.
Yeah.
Yo.
This is the field.
Wow.
This is the big field of University, the Southeastern Philippines. Here you can see many students passing.
Though that building is the engineering building,
Yes.
and that building over there is
The building.
the city.
The College of Technology.
And here is the CAS building. And last but not the least,
The most beautiful.
the most beautiful building, the Ijok building. Now you can see the atmosphere of the University of Southeastern
That,
Philippines.
you see over there are the classrooms.
And that one is the CR of
And you see that girls passing. Over
Bye.
there is our ex-classmates.
where?
And that over there is our classmate. And that over there is our classmate. And this is Marlo Jane Savillo. Excuse me, miss. Can we interview you? Can we interview you for a while? Please, we'll just post it to the YouTube.
YouTube! YouTube! Suki na kay ko ana ba? Pero may tanan ko na ana ba? Kung na ambush interview.
Kasi ambush interview.
Ay, ambush interview. Ate, drive. Physics. Tara ko.
Elin, kasi masalte ni mo sa mga tanan.
So sila ako nga kanin. Oh, iniyan na sila no. Ay, grabe kasi.
Ay, sili okay. Dati ko.
Hello. Hello. Ah, mo ka pa dyan.
Kamo ba ang anong change topic mo? Ang interview ni siya about sa
about everything.
interview ni siya about sa muang unsa? About sa university.
Oh, ni siya, butan ni siya, i-post ni siya sa YouTube.
Bukan naman sa YouPorn.
Try lang yun ang Bad Jojo, WWS Bad Jojo.
Grabe, kabalo ka na.
Umangod ano.
Lo.
Puto ba sana mga tulad nila?
Talikod.
Oh, bangga ka. Excuse me.
Yes?
Do I know you?